Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why, despite following all the latest trends and spending hours on your makeup routine, your look still isn't as flawless as you imagined? Maybe you've experienced uneven foundation, patchy concealer, or eyeliner that just won't stay in place. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup mistakes and sharing proven step-by-step solutions so that you can finally achieve a flawless application. In this video, you'll learn exactly what common errors to avoid, how to master correct techniques, and even discover insider tips from beauty experts and renowned professionals. Let's begin by asking yourself, are you really aware of the makeup mistakes you might be making? Many of us unknowingly fall into the trap of incorrect makeup applications. You might be using a faulty foundation application method that leaves your skin looking cakey, or perhaps you're relying on poor concealer usage that only highlights your imperfections. These mistakes can be frustrating, but the good news is that they can be fixed. First, let's tackle the issue of foundation. A faulty foundation application is one of the most common culprits. Too often we apply too much product or fail to blend it evenly, resulting in patches that disrupt our natural skin tone. The secret to avoiding this is to start with a clean, well-moisturized canvas and to apply your foundation in thin, buildable layers. Use a damp beauty sponge or a high-quality brush to ensure that the product blends seamlessly into your skin. Next, consider the impact of poor concealer usage. Concealer is meant to hide blemishes and dark circles, not create a mask-like effect. If you're applying it too thickly or choosing the wrong shade, you might end up with an uneven look that draws more attention to the very areas you want to hide. The key here is to use just a small amount. Lightly pat it on and blend, gradually building up coverage only where necessary. Now let's talk about blush. Overdone blush can completely overwhelm your natural features. While a healthy flush adds vibrancy, too much can look unnatural and distract from your overall appearance. The trick is to smile, apply blush to the apples of your cheeks, and blend it gently toward your temples. A light hand and a gradual buildup of color make all the difference. Moving on to contouring. Incorrect contouring is another frequent mistake that can lead to a muddy, over-sculpted look. Contouring is intended to enhance and define your natural structure, not to distort it. To get it right, choose a contour shade that's only a few shades darker than your skin tone, and apply it in the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline, and at the sides of your nose. Blend thoroughly with a brush or sponge so that the lines disappear, leaving you with a subtle, natural shadow that enhances your features. Even something as seemingly simple as eyeliner can become problematic. Incorrect eyeliner application may result in a line that's too thick, uneven, or simply unflattering. To avoid this, start thin at the inner corner of your eye and gradually build thickness as you move outward. A steady hand and practice are essential. If you make a mistake, don't worry. A little smudging or using a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover can easily fix it. Another pitfall is makeup removal mistakes. Rushing through the removal process can leave residue that clogs pores and dulls your complexion over time. Make sure you take the time to remove all traces of makeup using a gentle, effective remover. Double cleansing in the evening is a great habit if you tend to wear long-lasting or heavy makeup. And finally, let's not overlook the importance of proper lighting in makeup application. Even the best techniques can fall short if you're working under poor lighting conditions. Always apply your makeup in a well-lit area, preferably with natural light or a high-quality ring light. This ensures that every detail is perfectly blended and that your final look is consistent, both in person and on camera. Now that we've covered these common mistakes, it's time to move on to solutions and actionable tips to transform your makeup routine. Imagine being able to look in the mirror and see a flawless, radiant finish every day. That's exactly what mastering these techniques can do for you. Step-by-step solutions to master your makeup routine. 1. Foundation and concealer mastery. Start with a gentle cleanser and a good moisturizer to prepare your skin. Apply your foundation in thin, even layers using a damp sponge or a flat brush. Build up coverage gradually, and always blend the edges to avoid harsh lines. For concealer, choose a shade that brightens your under-eye area without looking too stark. Apply sparingly and blend with gentle tapping motions. Remember, you're aiming for a natural finish. 2. Perfecting blush and contour. When it comes to blush, less is more. Smile naturally and apply the product to the apples of your cheeks, then blend outward softly. For contouring, select a product that is only slightly darker than your skin tone and focus on the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline and the sides of your nose. Blend, blend, blend. The goal is to create subtle shadows that define your features without looking harsh. 3. Eyeliner and lip technique for eyeliner. Opt for a pencil or liquid liner that glides smoothly. Start with a thin line at the inner corner of your eye. clarifying lipstick. Blot gently and reapply a thin layer for a long-lasting, vibrant finish that won't overpower your look. 4. Lighting and tools matter. Invest in high-quality makeup tools and ensure you work in a well-lit area. Natural light is best, but if that's not possible, a ring light can make a huge difference. Clean your brushes and sponges regularly to avoid buildup that can cause breakouts or uneven application. 5. Learn from the experts. Take inspiration from celebrities and experts who have mastered their makeup routines. Look at how Zendaya effortlessly blends her makeup to enhance her natural features, or how Priyanka Chopra's look is always polished yet natural. Dermatologists like Dr. Ava Shamban emphasize that understanding the fundamentals of makeup application is key to avoiding these common mistakes. Their advice underscores that the secret to a flawless look isn't just in the products you use, but in how you use them. 6. Practice, patience, and personalization. The journey to flawless makeup is one of continuous learning. Practice is essential. Set aside time each week to experiment with new techniques and adjust your routine. Your makeup routine should be personalized to suit your unique features and lifestyle. If something doesn't work, don't be discouraged. Refining your approach will eventually lead you to the perfect method. 7. Take action and track your progress. I challenge you to take one actionable step today. Write down one change you can make in your routine. Maybe it's using a different tool for blending, applying your foundation in a new technique, or even researching more about the products you use. Track your progress over the next few weeks. Notice how your skin looks, how the makeup feels, and most importantly, how your confidence grows with each improvement. 8. Empower yourself through knowledge. Remember, a flawless makeup look is more than just an aesthetic goal. It's a reflection of your inner confidence and empowerment. When you take control of your routine by avoiding mistakes and implementing expert advice, you're not only enhancing your appearance, you're also investing in yourself. Every positive change you make is a victory that builds your self-esteem and helps you present the best version of yourself to the world. Conclusion: your journey to flawless makeup starts now. In today's video, we've explored the most common makeup mistakes, from faulty foundation and poor concealer application to overdone blush, incorrect contouring, and more, and provided step-by-step solutions to overcome them. With the right techniques, tools, and a little inspiration from industry experts like Dr. Ava Shamban and celebrities like Zendaya and Priyanka Chopra, you can master your makeup routine and achieve that flawless application you've always desired. Every tip we discussed is designed to help you avoid pitfalls like makeup mistakes, incorrect makeup applications, faulty foundation application, poor concealer usage, overdone blush, incorrect contouring, makeup removal mistakes, incorrect eyeliner application, makeup for your skin tone, and overapplication of lipstick. And don't forget the importance of proper lighting in makeup application to ensure every detail is perfect. Now is the time to take charge of your beauty routine. Begin with small changes, be patient, and watch as your efforts transform not only your makeup, but your overall confidence and outlook. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a more radiant, empowered version of yourself. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey toward flawless makeup. If you found these insights and step-by-step solutions helpful, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and share your progress and questions in the comments below. Let's redefine beauty together and continue to empower one another. Keep shining, radiant woman.